This video will cover how to set up for the course. First of all, it's important to have a good working knowledge of PHP and MySQL. If you're not sure about this, it's recommended that you go to the infiniteskills.com website and review the topics in the PHP and MySQL course. You can take this course if you feel comfortable with the majority of the topics covered. Let's have a quick look at this webpage. The webpage is training/learning-php-mysql.html. If you move to the bottom, you'll see a table of contents with some short demo videos. Down below is an outline showing the exact topics. Make sure that you are comfortable with each of these. For example, using regular expressions, click on the triangle and it gives you more information. Make sure that you're comfortable with the functions which are mentioned in this outline. The next consideration is setting up MySQL. You will be using some demo code, which is based on a fictitious website called suitescomplete.com. You will create a new database called SuitesComplete. It's recommended that you create a user also called SuitesComplete with rights to the database. You will then import the suitescomplete.sql file from your working files area. Let's take a quick look at how this should be done. You would open up phpMyAdmin and go to Users. You click on Add New User and specify SuitesComplete. The password is assumed to be simply password. You would then click on Create Database with same name and grant all privileges. Click on Go to complete the process. Next, in the SuitesComplete database, you will import the data from the suitescomplete.sql file in your working files area. Select Import. Select Choose File. Locate your working files area. And from here, you'll find a folder called SuitesComplete. In the root of this folder is the SQL file, which represents the database import. You then select Go and wait for the process to complete. When finished, you should have a success message. If you have a quick look at the database, you will then see various files, including, for example, the members table. Next, in order to set up for the labs, in the Working Files folder, you should copy SuitesComplete, the very bad website, and if desired, suitescomplete.complete to your web server document root. Again, use your file system tools, locate these three folders, and then copy them to the document root. Then, assuming that you have your database configured and imported properly, if you go to localhost/SuitesComplete, you should see the demonstration SuitesComplete website, which is used for the labs. Of course, in order to write code, you have to make sure that you have access to either a text editor or an IDE or integrated development environment. Finally, how to set up for the demos. It's recommended that you create a folder called Demo off of your web server document root. Then, as you view the videos for each chapter, you would go to the Working Files folder for that chapter and copy all of the files into the demo folder. As an example, let's set up for Chapter 3. First of all, we move to the document root and create a folder called Demo. We then go to our Working Files area for Chapter 3. We select and copy all of the files. We then go back to Demo and paste. We can test by going to our server and running any of these example files. For example, validation example C-type. So as you can see, we've successfully run the demo file. In review, you need to have a working knowledge of PHP and MySQL. Review the topics on the infiniteskills.com website. To set up MySQL, you create a SuitesComplete database, user of the same name, with a password of password, and import the file suitescomplete.sql, which is under Working Files SuitesComplete. To set up for the labs, under the Working Files folder, copy the SuitesComplete and Very Bad Website folders into your document root. Optionally, you might also want to copy the suitescomplete.complete folder, which has completed solutions. In order to run the demos, create a demo folder off of your document root, and then each chapter at a time, copy the chapter files into the demo area, which then allows you to run the files for that chapter only.